Hey there, it's Steve from Serious Keto, and in this video we are going to make the best keto cracker I have ever tasted. But before we do that, if you enjoy low-carb cooking videos, product and ingredient reviews, as well as lessons learned from my experiences with the ketogenic lifestyle and intermittent fasting, click that subscribe button right down there. And while you're at it, click the bell next to it so you're notified whenever I release a new video. You know, it seems like pretty much every recipe or cooking video out on the internet lists their particular recipe as the best tortilla, the best chaffle, the best whatever. So I get kind of reluctant to use that term. I think it's overused. But in this case, this is truly the best keto cracker I've had. And it took me a few iterations to get this. It is good. I mean, this will convert your non-keto friends to keto if a cracker's the only thing that's in their way. So let's get to making them. I've allowed the crackers a good half hour to cool off and crisp up. Let's try them out. Crispy, nutty. Now I used roasted sesame seeds in my recipe, which makes this a pretty powerful cracker taste-wise. If you're looking for something a little bit more mild, you could just use regular sesame seeds. But this particular version stands up really well to any sort of topping you might want to put on it. Cheese, summer sausage, whatever. In fact, let's try some with cheese. Really good. And so you can see how crispy they are. Besides tasting great, the macros on these crackers are fantastic. The entire tray of crackers is only 12 net grams of carbs. So if you figure a serving size is like 8 crackers, you're looking at, according to Carb Manager, 2 grams of net carbs per serving, 11 grams of fat, and 5 grams of protein. My son would say, that's bangin'. I don't know what that means, but he says that whenever anything's really cool. So if you're looking for some bangin' sesame flax crackers, these are the ones. I have a few ideas for how I might tweak these as well, whether it's adding some seasoning, whether it's garlic powder or onion powder or ranch powder or Old Bay seasoning or maybe some freshly grated Parmesan. But if you get to playing around with this recipe before I do and come up with something that you think is pretty fantastic, post your results down in the comments below. I'd love to hear about it. And thanks for watching.